Welcome back to the channel, everybody. It is Mike here, the FPV Evil Monkey, guys, and today I am coming to you live. Today came in the box, the quad box, whatever you want to call it. So anyways, this came in the mail today, and this is the November quad box. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up, and let's take a look and see what's inside. Spoiler alert, if you don't want to know what's in this box, I'm going to give you 3, 2, 1, and boop. Just like Stu. And so it just came in today. Let's take a look. Now, this is not the boost box. I decided that I didn't want to go with the boost this month. Wanted to save a little money for Christmas time. So this is just the regular one without the boost inside, so I don't know what's going to be in the boost. But let's go ahead and open it up. As you can see, the seal has not been opened up yet. So right off the bat, as always, we get some kick-ass quad box stickers. So it looks like this month is going to be all about race day quads, RDQ. So that is pretty cool. So yeah, check out those stickers. Those are pretty awesome. All right, so we got stickers. Okay. Next, what do we got? We got a what is this? 10% off of FPV trailer. If you want a code to use, there you go, and it's gone. Okay. All right, so let's take a look and see what's in the box here. We got a pair of sended socks. Yes, this is pretty interesting. Socks. All right, cool. Well, I guess I could wear these when I am out and about flying. All right. Next in the box. Ooh, look at these guys. These are the GemFan Wind Dancer 5043s. And if you guys haven't been watching my videos, you know I freaking love these props. And actually, these are the color that I need for my my main freestyle drone. So that is pretty freaking badass right there. So that is awesome. Yes. And of course, you get 3 packs of these. So now I will have more than enough packs to get me through. Let's see what else is in here. Remove before flight. Okay, so this is actually it's got a little quad box on the back. So if you fly like DJI Phantoms and stuff like that, you can put this on there, or if you want to put it on your own quad, I guess you can too, or you can use it as a keychain or whatever the hell you want to do with it. I don't know. But anyway, so yeah, this is kind of cool. So a lot of the DJI guys use this to do like their pre-flight check and stuff like that. So when they're ready to actually like lift off, they'll remove this. So that's kind of cool. All right, and last but not least, the whole reason I always ordered the freaking quad box, I don't know why I love these freaking shirts so much. I just love them. So because each month is a little bit different, and I love each and every month. So let's take a look. Oh, okay. So it's all about RDQ. So there we go. So let's see. So it says RDQ. And never say, I can't read what's it say. Oh, never say last pack. Yeah, the last pack curse, right? That's always, so yes, this is pretty freaking badass right here. Look at this, guys. It's got a broken arm, and I really like the design. I don't know who drew up that design, but it's pretty freaking sweet. And I love this color red. You get the shirt, 3 packs of the 5043 GemFan Wind Dancers, yeah, a pair of Send It socks, the usual RDQ stickers, or this month for the RDQ. Thank you to Quadbox as always, and I guess thanks to myself for paying for it. So, but thank you guys so much for tuning in. Appreciate it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. In the meantime, while you're waiting for my next one, let's keep those drones up in the air, flying high, and I will see you guys in my next video. Talk to you later.